Good evening, candidates. 16th of December. Good evening. Yeah. Now, this is the third video of Bank of Baroda Substaff to Clerical. I am covering all these things because I am very much impressed by the questions they have asked in the interview, and wherever I am confident of, I am telling you the answers. Okay. Now, next question I'm going to deal about that is about the interest rates. Baroda home loan, 6.50% home loan. Home loan is 6.50%. Then 7% per annum is Baroda car loan. Then 6.50 is Baroda education loan. Then 9.75% per annum is Baroda personal loan. These are the rates I have seen from the website today. So that's why I'm telling you. Okay. So this is about the interest rates. So I suggest before going for the interview, you please go through the interest rates on deposits, interest rates on advances, and get to know some details about that. Very good. Next question is what is NPA? Next question is what is NPA? NPA means non-performing assets. What is not non-performing assets? See, in the case of banks, when they are giving loan, when the borrower has not repaid the installment or the interest for a period exceeding 90 days, then it will be classified as a, say, substandard assets or doubtful assets. That is the starting period of NPA. Before it is falling into NPA, it is known as standard asset. Standard asset is one where installments are repaid properly, interest is repaid properly, and then the next category where after 90 days it is not paid, then it is classified as what? NP, doubtful assets or NPA. Then after 1 year, it is classified as doubtful assets, and after say 3 years, or if the security is not there, earlier it is found out, then it is classified as loss assets. But in interview, if you are asked what is NPA, simply smile and tell non performing asset. That much will do for this question, because you are attending substaff to clerical interview only, not much may be required. Then, what are the duties of Daftari? Special duties of Daftari is maintaining files, is maintaining the vouchers bundles properly, vouchers to be stitched every day, numbered, entered in a register. And I don't know whether it is a procedure in your bank that it is to be signed by an officer or not, and you have to maintain this register, and the stationery room must be maintained properly. You must know what is there, what is not there, and ask for some extra stationery. Here I read somewhere all the normal and routine duties of subordinate staff cadre and performance of which no special pay is payable. In addition, they shall also be required to perform following duties: to take money orders, to buy stamps, which involves carrying of cash not exceeding 5,000, to stitch currency note bundles, to stitch and seal parcels, packets containing currency notes, to transit cash from bank to an office outside, and also accompanying the armed guard. So these are the duties of Daftari. But when you are asked to tell about that, you must speak confidently. Then the next question they have asked is PIN. What is PIN? What is PIN? PIN is personal identification number. This is used in ATMs. It is used in ATMs. ATM, debit card, debit card, it is used. Okay, that is personal identification number. Okay, next question is, what is PAN? This they have not asked, I have added myself. What is PAN? PAN means permanent permanent account number. This is the number given for each income tax assessee by the income tax department. So you must know about this. How many they can ask sometimes, how many digits are there in this? 10 digits are there. It is containing alphabets and also numbers. 10 digits are there in this. Similarly, they can ask questions like, say, IFSC code number. IFSC code number has how many digits? 11 digits. They can ask you, what is MICR? MICR means magnetic ink character recognition code. This will be there at the bottom of the check, and that will decide, that will tell to which branch, on which branch the check has been drawn. MICR is 9-digit code. MICR is 9-digit code. Then they can ask you, what is Aadhaar card? How many digits are there? 12 digits are there. Then they can ask you, in the case of debit card, how many digits are there? 16 digits are there. And in the case of credit card, how many digits are there? The uh, how many credit digits are there? 16 digits are there. In both debit card and credit card, you have some CVV on the back of the card, and that is a 3-digit number. That is a 3-digit number. What is CVV? It is card verification value. Card verification value. Understand? That is CVV. So these are some of the questions that can be asked regarding the card. Now, here I have come across a question. How will you help resetting ATM PIN? How will you help a customer in resetting ATM PIN? I think in the ATM, I do not really know, because I have not I have reset. Yeah. See, whenever you go into an ATM, you are putting your present PIN. It will come. Then there will be different columns, whether you want to see withdraw cash or whether you want to find the balance, and likewise. So in that, you can ask for a resetting of PIN. So you have to press that. Once you press that, you will be asked to give the current PIN number. Then you'll be asked to give the new PIN number, followed by it again confirmation. Anybody is online and he can talk about this? Please tell me. Is it clear? Then, after giving it 2 times, the number is confirmed. Then you will come out, and again you can recheck it by re-logging into it. I have done that once or twice. So this is a resetting of PIN. How can you help? But only important point you have to do as a Substaff member is that I will tell the procedure to the customer, and I will not stay near that place, because the number should not be known to others. Whatever PIN number is given for ATM, debit card, credit card, that should not be revealed to others. So I will not get to know about that. In fact, in many branches, when people come for illiterate people come, the staff members, many of them hesitate to prepare, say, check or prepare withdrawal slip also, because they fear if some problem happens on the next day, they may be questioned. Nothing will happen. Only thing is, you check out from him clearly and fill it up properly and give. But in this case, PIN, while he's giving PIN, you should not stay there. you should just tell him you must give a 4-digit pin, and that 4-digit pin, any number you give it, which you will be able to remember, and give it once and twice. So that will be your revised pin number. You should tell him like that. So this much I have covered in this video. I will go on for further points in my next video. I will cover, I have so far covered about 4 or 5 points in this. So this is the third video. I will go for the fourth video immediately. Thank you.